Meet Nicole and her family. They're in search of a reliable construction company, as their wood deck can come down any second. Their house is really old, and they need somebody who knows the job well. Nicole reached out to a few contractors in her area. Some of them came up and offered suggestions and prices for their services. And then came the Impeccable Group. We offer multiple construction services. At Impeccable Group, we provide you honest suggestions and service at a highly competitive price. We can deliver and help you achieve what you're looking for. The Impeccable Group did the fully composite deck with Trex. Let's hear what she has to say about our services. We had a new roof put on the garage and house. The Impeccable Group started the process right away. The whole team is very friendly, polite, and respectful. The best part is their professionalism and communication, as they kept us informed every step of the way. They know exactly what to do. I would highly recommend them to anyone who needs their work done to perfection. Thank you, the Impeccable Group. Everything looks amazing. Interested? So what are you waiting for? Visit www.theimpeccablегroup.com, fill in the form, and we'll get in touch with you.